In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook account in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to link Facebook to Canva so you can easily pull in content or publish directly without constantly downloading and re-uploading files. To start, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. From your Canva homepage or from inside any design, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different options. Find the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This section is where Canva keeps all of its extra tools and integrations, including apps like Facebook. Once you've opened the More section, you'll see a variety of options and icons. Look for the one called Apps. Click on Apps to open Canva's app directory. This is basically a library of all the services you can connect to Canva to extend its functionality. In the search bar within the Apps section, type the word Facebook. Make sure you spell it correctly as one word so Canva can find the right integration. As you type, you should see results appear below the search bar. From the search results, locate the official Facebook app and click on it. This will open a page dedicated to the Facebook integration, where Canva briefly describes what the app does and how it works with your designs. On this page, you may see different Facebook-related options, such as connecting to your profile or pages. Select the option that best matches what you're trying to do. For example, you might be connecting your personal account to access photos or your page to publish designs. Click on the appropriate selection to continue. Next, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on Connect to start linking your Facebook account with Canva. This is the key step that triggers the connection between the two platforms. After you click Connect, a Facebook window or pop-up will appear. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Facebook may ask you to log in if you are not already signed in, and then it will ask you to confirm which account or pages you want Canva to access and what permissions you want to grant. Take a moment to read these options carefully, then click Continue or Allow to finish the process. Once you complete the prompts, your Facebook account will be connected to Canva and you'll be ready to use it inside your designs.